Hey friends, if the Windows Camera app is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for the Camera app in the Windows search bar and go to App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down, terminate the app, try repairing it and see if it repairs completely and you get a tick mark. Then reset it and see if it resets completely and you get a tick mark. Now once this is done, you can consider uninstalling it. So uninstall this app and then search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store and search for camera and hit enter. Go to the Windows Camera app and then click on install, and this will reinstall the app. This is all you can do at your end. There's nothing else that can be done about the camera app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.